Hello and welcome to Learn Oracle video tutorial series. I'm Ahmed, and in this video I'll give you an introduction of SQL Developer. We'll also take a look at how to install it to Windows. Okay, what is Oracle SQL Developer? Oracle SQL Developer is the Oracle Database IDE or Integrated Development Environment. Oracle SQL Developer allows database users and administrators to do their database tasks in fewer clicks and keystrokes. SQL Developer provides powerful editors for working with SQL, PLSQL, stored Java procedures in XML, run queries, generate execution plans, and export data to the desired format. And in these formats, XML, Excel, HTML, PDF, and etc. It also allows execute, debug, test, and document your database programs and much more with SQL Developer. Okay, since version 3, there are many DBA tasks you can do with SQL Developer. There's an exclusive DBA panel available under the View menu, and you can execute many tasks as an administrator. For example, you can backup your data and export your data and scheduling tasks and stuff. Okay, we'll come to the installation part. Download link is, as you can see on your screen, here is the link. You can see on your screen www.oracle.com/technetwork/developer, developer tools, SQL Developer, and downloads. And when you visit this page, you will notice that there are two downloads available for Windows users. Windows 64-bit with JDK 8 included. This archive includes both SQL Developer and an embedded copy of the Java 8 development kit. Keep in mind that you will need JDK or Java development kit to run Oracle SQL Developer. It's a prerequisite, and it is a must to run on your machine. Installation process is quite simple, pretty straightforward. Simply extract the zip to a fresh directory and run the SQLdeveloper.exe file in the top directory. The SQLdeveloper.exe file is not in any subdirectory, it's in the top directory, and you can just double click it and it will start. In this version, i.e. Windows 64-bit with JDK 8 included version, you simply have to click the exe, and since the JDK is already included and it is pre-configured to run the embedded JDK by default, so there's not much fuss about it. You just double click on the exe file and the program will open. The other version is Windows 32-bit /64-bit, both on Windows 32-bit and 64-bit. This archive will work on a 32-bit or 64-bit Windows operating system. The bit level of the JDK you install will determine if it runs as 32 or 64-bit application. For example, if you have JDK 32-bit installed on your machine, then you will need 32-bit Windows operating system. This download does not include the required Java 8 SDK. So keep in mind you have to install Java 8 SDK separately. You will have to download Java and install JDK on your machine. And when you click on the executable file of SQL Developer, it will ask you to provide path which leads to Java 8 JDK runtime. So you have to provide the path.